Hey guys, how are you doing? How are you doing? Yes, your popping queen is here again and is about to be popping. It's another hair transformation video, okay? In this video, I'll be using hair from I'll be using hair from Tinashe Hair. I've been using Tinashe Hair a lot on this channel. So today, your girl is going to be rocking another Tinashe Hair, people. As always, link to Tinashe Hair is going to be in the description box. So open the description box, follow the link and buy your own Tinashe Hair, okay? Yes, I did prep this hair yesterday. Okay, and I package it back. So I'm gonna show you guys how Tinashe Hair came and how I prep it before I put it back in here. Okay, Tinashe Hair came in this beautiful pack. I did unbox it just to show you guys how it looks. I have to prep it, of course. Yes, why not? You have to prep your hair before you wear your hair, okay? Some people even wash their hair, okay, before they even put it on. Look at the hair. It's really beautiful. Also, I put on an elastic band. I apply powder, so it's looking more brown. You know, the hair is all plugged, looking nice. And look at the hair. Yes, guys, side parting it is. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at the hair, guys. So beautiful. I love it. I love the texture. I love the color. I love the length. Side parting it is. Okay, let me show you guys. All prepped, nicely packaged bag. So I prep it and I put it back here. Ta-da! Ooh, people. Just take a look. Take a look at this hair. This hair is beautiful. Look at my pattern. I have this curvy pattern. Okay. Ooh. All tongued. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Please tell me I'm popping in the comment section. Okay. Because look at your girl. I am popping and I know you're popping too. We are popping. Okay guys, so let me put it on. Before I put it on, people, I'm going to apply a little bit of darker powder. I think when I was prepping it, I think I applied it. The powder I applied was a little bit lighter. So let me apply a little bit darker one. Then I'm going to put it on for you guys to see how I'm going to be popping. I'm going to be popping, people, because I know Tinashe Hair is gonna make me popping. So, wow. Okay, baby girl, you are popping. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody. Like, who are you? Who are you to tell me anything when I'm wearing Tinashe Hair? Like, seriously? Wow, I am looking cute. Oh my God, people. I am popping. I am looking cute. This color is the bomb.com. You guys notice how I don't wear too much of bright colors again, because I realize darker shades looks good on me. Like darker tones, not like the blonde 613, like this kind of blonde, you know, highlights and lowlights and the browns and the mixture. I look cute. Guys, I look cute. I am popping. Like I said, yeah, these days I've been wearing a lot of glueless. So this week is gonna be glueless, because a lot of you are saying you guys are tired of baby hair and all that. So why not? Let's make it glueless. So this week is beautiful. Wow, Chi slay, baby girl, slay. Like, look. Slay, baby girl, slay. Slay, girl. Slay. Slay. Slay, girl. Nobody can tell you anything. Okay, people, we're going to cut the lace now so we can see how we're slaying. Wow, Chi-Chi, you are popping. Nobody can tell you anything. Oh my God. I'm loving this hair. So, I like to just cut it like so before I finally cut it. Like I said, you can glue here if you want, because this is the only place sometimes when you wear glueless wig, just the end. Apart from that, you will be popping and slaying. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Way forward, okay? Glueless wig is the way forward. Glueless Tinashe hair. Glueless Tinashe hair. So yeah. So guys, this hair is 24 inches, okay? 24 inches Tinashe hair. Link to Tinashe hair is going to be in the description box. Make sure you guys tell me I am popping. I am popping. I love it. I love it. I want to know what you guys think about this color, this hair, the style, side parts, body wave, people. Body wave. Let me know. Okay? Woo! Love you guys. Bye. You guys, please rate this video. Please comment under this video, please. I want to be making more video for you guys. I want to bring more hair review video for you guys, so you guys can be popping, and we're going to be popping. But if you don't show me love, comment that Chi-Chi Tinashe hair look good on you. So I want to see you guys say, hello Chi-Chi, how are you? We miss you. Tinashe hair look good on you. Okay, I am beautiful. That's it for today. Remember, link to Tinashe hair is in the description box. Okay, show me some love, and I love you guys too. I love you guys. I'm going to show you guys the full length of my hair now. Okay, bye.